Chicken or pasta?
Is the pasta vegetarian?
Yes.
And then I'll get pasta, thank you.
Oh, sorry, we just ran out of pasta.
Oh, you ran out of pasta?
You understand? No more pasta. Wir haben keine Nudeln mehr.
I don't speak German.
Se nos acabó la pasta.
I understand English.
Okay.
It's just that you just offered it and now you don't have any left.
Yeah,
That's sad. I booked this flight and I also chose vegetarian.
maybe you can choose something from the menu.
Okay, I will get the tomato sandwich, please. Thanks.
That will be $25.50. Would you like any drinks?